Hey guys, I am back with a new tutorial video. Today I will be making the body using surfaces and features of the Boeing 777 aircraft. So it's a basic video for all of you that want to those who want to uh, study these commands and the basic working of SolidWorks. So first of all, we will be importing the blueprints or the vector drawings of the aircraft. So first of all, we will be making any plane. So using the right plane first, I can use sketch on it, and from here we can go into the uh, tools, sketch tools, and then scroll it down, picture, sketch picture. Okay, so clicking on that sketch picture. Now desktop, this is my the vector drawing. So click on this, I will be importing that. So the dimensioning work will be very difficult for all of you. I will be using just simple working, and the the original sizing will be somehow difficult for the beginners. So first of all, I will be making another video for original sizing of the aircraft. So I will be scrolling and adjusting this body till the origin, because I want to start from the origin. So I will have to use it in the middle and middle of the aircraft, so that our body will be very fine and refined. So I will be scrolling it somehow here. So as you can see, it is looking into in the middle of the aircraft, so it will be easier to make the aircraft. So click on tick. So I have imported the right side of the aircraft. So exiting the sketch, and now again sketching on the right plane. Okay, we will just have to sketch up here like this. So starting from here, starting from origin, we will be sketching it in some sequences, so that we will be sketching the periphery of the aircraft to make it, and it's very easy for the beginners, and for the expert level students, we will be using equations driven curve to make the aircraft. Okay, so it is somehow in the periphery of the aircraft. Now we will be sketching further like this. Just sketch in the periphery of these lines which are here. So we will be making first sequence here. Now we will be exiting the sketch. We will have to make different sketches. We can make it in one sketch. So we will be making it in one sketch here. Okay. Make sure the lines should be in a right order, so that it look better. It look better in this. Friends, here you can see we have done our sketch. Make sure these 2 points are in vertical relation. So adjustment of this curve will be somehow very easy, so that your line should be under the periphery of this uh, vector drawing line. So exiting the sketch, it will be not any difficulty if you exit and make another sketch for further. We can make from here also, there is nothing difficulty. We will select chain sketches in our loft or boundary boss conditions. So we will be sketching it further, as up to here is a very straight line. Okay, so we'll be sketching a very straight line like this, and afterwards we will be using another subline for that. As like this. Okay, so we have our upper sketch is done. So now we will be using our down sketch of that. Same as it is, we will have to make the sketch for that. We will be making this body in the end of the bodies, because this is another thing, another part of the aircraft. So now we will be sketching this side of the back side of the aircraft and making up to here. Okay, adjustment of this line will be easy. Make sure the relations shouldn't come, because these relation doesn't let the point to go up or down from so for that zoom in or zoom in for that. It will be easier for all of you. So we have done this. Our right side view of the body is complete. You can see it is very good, looking very good and very precise. Okay, so now we will be uh, importing the upper the top view of this aircraft. So for that we will have to uh, make it in top plane. So sketching it same as it is, we will going to the tools, sketch tools and sketch picture. So same as it is, we can importing the Boeing 777 the vector drawing of it. So as you know that it is at a different angle, so we will be rotating it in 90 degree angle, like this. Okay, so now we will be easily dragging it up to here. And now guys, we will have to adjust it very precisely. For that we have a center line in the in this vector drawing. So we will be making this line into the center. As you can see, it is well enough in the center and it's looking very precise for that. So we will be clicking on this OK button. Now exiting the sketch and again coming into the top plane and sketch. Now we will be making these periphery into our sketches. So starting with this, you can make everything in a different sketch, but the problem is that we will have to select the chain sketches, so that it will take somehow a difficulties, but it will be making your design and your part very less featured. Okay, like this. Okay, now we will, in a straight line, we will be using a straight line for that. Adjusting it somehow like this. Okay, it is very good now. Now we'll be using a straight line simply to make it up to some curve like this. Okay, this is, make sure you are a beginner, so that it will be a very good for you. And if you are an expert one, you will be using the equation driven curve, which is very precise, and it will be making the body very precisely and very same up with the original design of the aircraft. It has some alterations, this design, because we are in a basic level, so it is somehow difficult for that. Same like this. Many times many times the top plane come in very awkward position, so we will be and adding, for that we will be adding another planes. Okay, uh, make here a fillet so that it could look very precise, like this. Okay, now we don't have to make it as you know that from the top the aircraft looks very symmetrical, so we will be using a mirror command here. We will be selecting all the sketches and mirror about this line. Okay, simply, it will be very precise. And delete this one. Now you know that it's very precise. Now our top and right planes are now right sketches are now done. We will hide this so that we can check it like this. Okay, as I told that sometimes the top plane comes in a very awkward position like here, so we will be making up to here, so that afterwards we will be copying this sketch up to this some plane here. Okay, like this. Now we will be adding some planes here. Now we will be adding planes here so that we will be making sketches around. So features, front plane, plane, and first plane will be from here, starting from here. Afterwards we will be adding planes and planes. Now we will be just sketching from the plane number 1. We will be sketching like this, and we will be making these points to be pierced onto our sketches like this. Pierce. We don't have a now we will be piercing same like that. Same with this one, and same with this one. So now with the next one, same like that. Selecting these 2 points, pierce. Same with this one, pierce again. With all 4 points you have to do this, and with this one. From front you can see that the body of the aircraft is picking very well, so it is a good sign for you, and the aircraft body is in a good sign. Next we have to do this. This one will be nearly a circle. You will be using this spline for that. It will be, because it is very refined area where the body becomes a circle. Same like that, using this and this. I have to sketch this one. Okay, same with this one. These points, pierce. This point and this point. So it's done now. We will be adding another ones so that our body becomes a very refined one. So now we will be adding another plane up to here, and we will be adding these sketches up to a very we will be using these sketches to be done with a 3D sketch. Okay, so first of all we have to edit this one, and we have to make these one trim so that we can do with this in a 3D sketch. Okay, like that. Okay, now we will be now making another plane here, features plane, and here. Okay, now using the 3D sketch and applying the top plane and showing this one, and now 3D sketch spline. we will have to adjust it on the top, and we will have to adjust it from the bottom also, from the right side, because 3D sketch becomes very so starting from here we can get to so deleting that one and putting it here, as the relations are very awkward and it makes our sketch very difficult to be edited. First of all, make it somehow in a better line so that you can edit them very precisely. The profile is from the back of the aircraft, the profile is very smoother and coming it to be upward. For that we have to make it somehow smooth for coming it upward like this. Okay, like this, it's looking very better now. Now same as it is, we will be coming on the top so that our sketch should be looking well on the top also like this. Yeah, it's good, but we have to check some points like these ones. This is not good. Yeah. Like this. Okay, now it's looking very better, and it will not be changed from the right side. Okay, it's changing is in the first time, so we will be on plane, making it on plane so that it could touch the plane, and we could do it somehow here like that. Okay, so now our sketch is well, and we can check it hiding this one so that our sketch could be looking very well, and it's a good looking very good now. Now it's looking very well, and same as it is, we have to make it on the another side. So for that we can make it mirror. But we can do this for one single area so that it could be mirrored afterwards. So we can mirror it there. So now we will be mirroring this 3D sketch into the another side. So for that we will be using mirror command and using this sketch, and for that we have to select right plane for this. Okay, so it's on right. Yes, it's you can see it's mirrored now, and now exiting the sketch. Now we will be sketching on the fourth plane. Um, we will be making the sketch. Like this. Okay, same like that, but it will be making the periphery of that one. So this point should be with the 3D spline like this. This point should be with the that 3D spline. This point should be with this point, and this point should be with that point like this. Now you can see it's very well set into the periphery of the aircraft. So now we can make the aircraft with our loft commands. So that will be in the next one tutorial. Thank you for this one.